I never grayed out, but I was definitely scarring
I'm shaking.
Oh. I kept seeing sparkles.
Wow, I'm literally shaking. Like my legs are wobbling underneath of me. That was amazing. That was one of the smoothest, fastest rides I've ever been on.
It was so good. But not too wild.
Not
like
too wild.
It wasn't wild enough to make
not
me
whippy.
not want to do it again.
It's not the usual level of whip for RMC.
Yeah.
It's just very smooth.
I bet it's
love everything about it.
in the back though.
Yeah. Well, we'll get to that later. Yeah, you definitely feel more of the whip back here, though. I like the front row best. I have a feeling back row is not going to be my jam, but I got to.
The back row before we take it.
Yeah, I got to check the box. Everyone okay?
I forgot to check my Mardi Gras beef thingy.
Oh, it slapped you in the face?
Like this, and I was like, my beef!